Hello, and welcome to another video in the Halloween party series. It's a little windy out there, so I thought I'd come in here where it's really messy at and talk about this video. So yesterday I went to the hardware store, the lumber store, and picked up some lumber, as you saw out there. And my goal is to make an entrance to the main Halloween party area for Aaron's Halloween party. And so what it's going to be is, or what it's going to be like is, Aaron has a backyard and there's a chain link fence that goes all the way around the backyard. So what we want the guests to be pushed into the Halloween area by this back gate. But we don't want it to be just like a basic back gate entrance. We want to make it kind of neat, spooky, and inviting. So what I want to do is I want to make an entrance, and it's going to be kind of like what you would find like at a cemetery, like a cemetery gate entrance. So the plan is to make two tall pillars on each side of the gate, and then on the pillars I want to put a couple like shelves about 3/4 of the way up, and on those shelves we'll set two pumpkins, one on each pillar, and then underneath I'll attach a skeleton to each side, and then in the center I'm going to make an arch out of wood, and in the very center I want to take some of those little Dollar Tree skulls, and I want to take some of that spray can foam and put all these skulls together in the center to make kind of like a, well, that's my dog barking out there, to make, I don't know what you call it, just a little circle there that has all these little skulls on it. That's the plan. So let me go outside and we'll start cutting this lumber up and we'll start putting things together, and then we'll go from there. So don't go anywhere. I'm just working off this image that I have in my head of how I want this to look. I have no diagrams or anything like that. It's all up here in my head. All right, I think the next step is to paint this black. I've got some cheap black spray paint. I also have some latex paint that I might use. Last night I decided to go to the Dollar Tree to see if I could find some more skulls to put on top of the cemetery gate entrance. So I went ahead and bought some more skulls, but I also stopped by the Goodwill store, which is a couple stores down. And I found this wreath. Picked it up for $3.99. I thought this would work even better for up top on the gate entrance. So I think what I'm going to do is going to paint it, hit it with some black spray paint, maybe some white spray paint, and glue a couple of these skulls onto the wreath. And then this wreath will go at the very top center of the entrance gate. I think that'll look really nice. So that's the plan.